Stopping by woods on a snowy evening, Robert Frost.
Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Students Educational Channel.
All is said and done. I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit.
In my English course book, Standard 10 3.3 Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Poet Robert Frost.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
Section 3. Poetry. Extract 1. Question 3. 5 marks.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
Whose woods these are? I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year.
Question 3a. Read the following extract and do the activity. 5 marks. E. Complete the following sentences with the help of the extract. The speaker stops in the woods. Winter season of the year described in the poem. The day described in the poem is evening. The speaker is riding on his little horse. A2. Find out lines from the poem as proof for the following explanation. There is no one to catch the speaker trespassing. His horse seems anxious to keep going. Answer. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. E. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. A3. Find out and write example of inversion. Answer. Inversion. Whose woods these are? I think I know.
Fearless.
Extract 2.
He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.
Question 3a. Read the following extract and do the activity. 5 marks. A1. State whether the following statements are true or false. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. True. The horse is worried about the cold and wants to keep going. True. The speaker needs to travel for a long distance on his journey before he can rest. True. Here sleep stands for going to bed at night. False. A2. Complete the web. Wind. Answer: wind. Easy, cool, stormy, harsh. A3. Find out rhyming words from the stanza. Answer: shake, flake, deep, keep.
I feel of discontent. I'm finally facing